The cottage is constructed entirely of wood, both inside and out, emphasizing the natural self-sufficiency of this material, a key theme in the design. The structure itself is also wooden, made from locally sourced wood, which remains the most affordable building material in Russia. The cottage's elongated rectangular layout is positioned crosswise in the center of the rectangular plot, set back from the fence at the minimum distance required by standards. This placement visually divides the 10-acre property into two independent areas, a small front garden and a backyard. Facing the cottage are a small guest house and a tidy tool shed camouflaged by a fence. The main house features 2 floors, but this is not apparent from most perspectives. The top-level areas are mostly illuminated by skylights, and the slope of the gable roof is minimal. The blank wooden surfaces under the overhang on the main facade are visually striking, especially from the street, creating an impression of a highly introverted structure. This image is further enhanced by the shutters, made from the same wood as the facades and painted in the same light gray color. These shutters snugly close all openings, making the house appear as a perfect parallelly piped when closed, except for the terraces at both ends and the deep square niche of the main entrance, which also features a glazed door with shutters. The internal layout of the house is organized along 2 intersecting axes. The living room and studio are placed longitudinally, each facing its own terrace, while the entrance hall and staircase are placed crosswise. A small window opposite the front door looks out into the garden, creating an effective viewing opening that is visible from the street. The monochrome facade design and the theme of openness and closeness are meticulously carried through to the interiors as well. There is no standalone furniture, only built-in pieces that visually continue the walls, making even the modestly sized bedrooms appear spacious and highlighting the dimensions of the living room and studio. The most challenging aspect of this design was joining the boards of the walls, floor, and ceiling without using traditional fastening corners, essential for moldings, planks, and cornices in wooden interiors. This was achieved using specially prepared angled bars. The interior palette features the same gray as the exterior, just a few shades lighter, providing a perfect backdrop for rare colored accents like an orange couch or a yellow flower pot.